This is exercise 7B D1 updated 7th edition, and we are working with question number 4. What question number 4 says, Mars has to pay PKR Pakistani rupees 39 for 630 minutes of outgoing calls made using his hand phone. Find the amount he is charged for each minute of outgoing call, and the number 2 is the amount he has to pay if he makes 460 minutes of outgoing calls. So what we are going to do here, first of all, we'll consider consider the given data of the question. What question says, this is from ratio portion of the chapter, and the topic here is definitely it's updated edition, and the chapter number and the arrangement of the question is a little bit changed. First we talked about ratio, and nowadays we are working with the topic rate, and what the solution is, this is Mars has to pay Pakistani rupees 39 for 650 minutes of outgoing calls made by him. So we are writing it 39 is paid for minutes 650 minutes. Then we have to, like, in the solution we have to talk about what he has to pay for each minute or 1 minute. So as we've done earlier in the previous question, like, we'll write it in this way, and we can even write it like it is 650 into 1 minute. So for the beginner this would be a best solution of the question. And when we talk about, we have to separate 1 minute from here, we'll use basic rules of algebra. We'll separate this 1 minute from here, and whatsoever number is multiplied with it will be divided on the other side. So in 1 minute he'll be paying this much. So with the use of calculator or manually, if you are very good at calculation, you can do it manually as well. So it comes 0.06. Firstly, in the previous edition it was given, the whole data was given in dollar, but in this edition it is given in Pakistani rupees. So whatsoever currency, either in dollar or the Pakistani rupees is given, when you'll mention it in the same one. So in 1 minute, this is the payment he has to pay. Then moreover, what we are going to do, the solution for the second part of the question, the amount he has to pay if he makes 460 minutes of outgoing calls. So again, for 1 minute he has to pay for 1 minute charges of call, or you can even rephrase the amount paid or the charges in your own words, you can mention it. This is 0.06 dollar or Pakistani rupee for 1 minute call. 1 minute call charges are this one. And what about 460 minutes? For 460 minutes, like, you have data for 1 minute, you can easily calculate it for 460 minutes. So this is very much easy, and this was in dollar or Pakistani rupees. If we are mentioning it for the currency, this is the money he is paying for 1 minute. So what about 46 minutes, 460 minutes? So you will multiply this with 460 and your answer comes 27.6 dollar, or whatsoever unit is mentioned in the question, you'll use the same one. So this is your question number 4, And if you feel difficulty at any point, you may comment in the comment box, or if you feel like to have this solution in both of the languages, in Urdu and English as well, you can even comment it. But at Cambridge level, most of the students get it in English. And do subscribe the channel as well. So this is all about question number 4. We'll continue the next question in the next lesson. Thank you.